Okay, so nowhere on YouTube could I find how to get my high pressure transducer switch out. My AC's kind of been fluctuating and I got a new switch, but it was really difficult to get out with the battery holder here. So all you have to do is kind of break this one clip off, and that's for your windshield washer fluid, and then you just kind of pull it out like that and it pops right out, and now you got clean access to it. I'm going to break that off, and it should be super easy to get to. I think it's a 9/16, and we should be good to go. Okay, the old switch came off real easy. Obviously it has like a Schrader valve in it to pop it, and then it has this little red plug in the back, which is going to go over your 3 pins right there. And then this one looks pretty much the same, my new. So we'll see how she does. I'll put her back together and give you all the verdict. 19 bucks, if so, would be a great fix. Okay, so got her back in there. The only thing is it didn't really line up on the cord, and so it ended up twisting around half. And so if I ever need to get to it again, it'll be from that side. But now that I know how to get the battery box out, that's super easy. Okay, I'm driving now for about 10-15 minutes. It was kind of cutting in and out. It's staying pretty steady, 46, 45. And I haven't heard my high-speed fans kick on as much as well. Obviously, I'm driving, so man, I'll take it. Big improvement. Again, before it was kind of going in and out, and hanging meat in here.